Alright, you guys, so I wanted to show y'all my office area. I had posted it in a couple of Facebook groups and on TikTok, and I had some questions and people wanting to see everything. So let me move my chair out of the way real quick, and we'll go through. All of my signs that are up right now all came from Hobby Lobby, but of course, I've got my Mustang sign. Now, all of my Hot Wheels came from all over the place. And then all of these little ones pretty much came from Hobby Lobby. But I got some pretty cool ones. It's a lot of Ford related, but not all of it. I do like all kinds of cars. But Mustangs just have a special place in my heart. I really love these two. Anybody who's on YouTube and follows Tanner Fox, these are really cool to have. It's Guaczilla and then his 911. I think that's what it is, yeah. 911 Porsche GT3 RS. I've got two of these because one's Devin's. But I was so happy to find Guaczilla when I found him. And yeah, got a little bit of everything. As I said, mostly Fords. But I'm not biased about what I got. And I will keep adding, and it'll flow over to this wall. I do have two on this wall. I've got a 70 Boss 429, and this one I just found today. I was so happy about it. I have a glare on it. It's a Von Gittenberg Boss 302. Cletus actually just got to drive that car. Super jealous. And these are just a bunch that I took out of the casings and put them in here. They kind of fell on top of each other a little bit when it got hung up, but it is what it is. Again, it's mostly Ford cars, but there are some other ones in here that aren't. Like, there's a yellow Miata, a yellow S2000, I think that's a Buick, Corvette, that's an Escort C10, Chevelle C10, Mustang, mini truck, Mustang mini truck, Fox body, another mini truck. These are two Mavericks, Escort, GT. This is an old convertible Shelby, another GT, Porsche, Cobra. I can't remember what that one was. RX-7, Subaru, Shelby, Mustang, a Nova wagon, a VW bus, another Corvette, all over the place. Jeep Gladiator, which I do have another one over here because I really like that one. It's super cute with the dirt bikes in the back, and I do have a duplicate of the Cobra as well. So now moving over here are a little bit more of the more expensive ones, more of my prized possessions. The only one that's not going to stay is this Stranger Things over here. That one I actually bought for Devin's grandpa for Christmas. This was just a safe place to put it. But, I've got to have the Shelbys matching my car. So here's the 2011 GT350. This is a 2012 black with gold stripes. Both of these, this one came from Etsy, from a private person. That one I bought off eBay, Walmart, Walgreens, Hobby Lobby for the yellow car. All of I think this one I bought offline off somebody. These two came from Hobby Lobby, Walmart. This is probably the most expensive set. I think we had to spend like $250 to get this because of that right there. Snap-on. That's the only way you can get it, and this is all of their dragsters. So it's really cool. Then moving over here, we have the Stranger Things Blazer, a 70s Chip Foose Mustang, a Ford pickup pulling a Mercury there in the back. This is another gift for somebody for Christmas. Again, safe place. And then I've got my award that I won last weekend. Moving down here, I've got some Hot Wheels that I put magnets on. This is RX-7. We got the Batmobile, Boss 302. Then This was actually Devin's idea right here. Like, there's Cobe. Hey, Cobra. What you doing, Cobe? See, that's a good boy. Yeah. They're always in here with me. Then I've got a Mustang keychain. This I got from Hobby Lobby too. It's actually a Christmas ornament. This was Devin's idea. You can get these at Hobby Lobby for $2.50 on sale. You can find them a little bit cheaper. But I bought a pack of magnets and glued them on the back so that we had a McBride 617. That's probably going to end up going in the shop. Don't know when, but that's probably what will end up happening with it. And then I got another Boss 302. I've got a whole other drawer over here full of Hot Wheels and a couple of signs. These are ones that Devin picked out for the shop. We just haven't gotten them out there. And I've got more Hot Wheels. I don't know if I'm going to hang them up or if I'm going to move them. Well, if I'm going to hang them up, make them magnets, or what I'm going to do. Some of them I might, some of them I might not. Look at Miss Shelby over here. Shelby. This is the luxury of having cats. They just go wherever they want to go. Say, as a pretty kitty. But yeah, so those will get incorporated later. And also I have my little Snap-on. Some people will say it's a jewelry box, whatever you want to call it. I've got it in here. I've got my little mini wrench that Devin bought me with it. Well, I don't think, he didn't buy this. I bought this one online from somebody. He bought this one day at work. I've got a couple of boxes that he bought me. I want to say I've got the top 100th anniversary, and then I've got the top pink that he bought me, but I bought the bottom online, and I've got a whole Mustang set, and then I've got a red one that I bought years ago. But yeah, I've got things like highlighters in here. So yeah, it's a neat little thing to have. Overall, I'm happy with it so far. I'll have to, if y'all want to see like a walk around with my collection of these, let me know and we'll do that. They're all in my bedroom. But overall, I'm happy with how the progress came with the office. Let me back up. This is a guest bedroom / office. So that's why you see a bunch of random stuff under there. But if you guys have any questions or any ideas of what you think we should do, like would be really cool, let me know. I'm always trying to figure something out. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all have a great weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe if y'all haven't already. Y'all hustle harder.